Hello, everyone. My name is Jeremy Jarrett, and I have taken a course before with some of you before, um, whether it be in the biology course or the chemistry course. It's good to see all of you again. And then all the new faces, it's great. It's a good mixed bag. To introduce myself, I started off my adult life as a combat medic in the Army. Did active duty for a little bit of time, then got out into the reserves and currently still in the reserves, still as a combat medic. Um, my bachelor's degree, I went to the University of Central Arkansas. I got a bachelor's of psychology, then went to the University of Memphis for a master's in healthcare administration. Wanted to try that world out, especially having 4 kids. It's a little bit easier of a schedule for than the clinical schedule, but then ended up feeling like I missed something. Interaction with patients, staying up to date in the reserves. I do my CEUs and I keep my license, but I wanted to move forward. I wanted more responsibility as a clinician, and so I'm going back and grabbing some of the prerequisites that I didn't have in my previous endeavors in order to go to PA school and kind of put my foot in both worlds. Can't fully be administrative, and because of that, whatever drive or whatever tick you have that when you're a clinical person. And I did mention my kids. I have 4. I have a 10-year-old, a 6-year-old, a 5, and a 3-year-old, which those just turned 5 and 3 at August 10th and 8th birthday, and we kind of celebrate them all at the same time. My also my wife's birthday is last month, and my mother's birthday is also in August. So we have a lot of activity. That they are also going back to school, so there's a lot of like work-life balance. I currently work as a data analyst in the administration portion of Bonner Children's Hospital in Memphis. So I have a lot of balls up in the air as far as juggling goes, and I'm really looking forward to interacting with all of you and seeing all of you, and hopefully you all have a good semester, a good 8 weeks, and thank you, and it was good seeing you all.